हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू रियल लिटरेचर एंड रैंडम वीडियोस। मैं नेहा सुल्ताना। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे डिस्क्राइब अबाउट स्पीच एंड लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट। तो मैं सिर्फ रीड करने वाली हूँ। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, अगर आप चैनल पे न्यू हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कॉमेंट करिए। स्पीच एंड लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट is all about how people learn to talk and communicate with each other. It's a very important part of growing up because it helps us share our thoughts and feelings from who we are from when we are babies to when we are grown ups. We go through different stages of learning to talk, read and write. Speech and language development is a complicated process that starts when we are babies and continues as we grow up. It's important because it helps us to talk to each other, express our feelings and share our thoughts. Learning to speak and understanding language isn't just about talking. It also helps our brains, social skills and emotions emotion develop. Stages of speech and language development. Pre-linguistic stage that starts from 0 to 12 months or it is also called as non-verbal communication. The pre-linguistic age refers to the period in a human's life before the acquire language skills. During this stage, infants and very young children typically communicate using non-verbal means such as crying, babbling, facial expressions and gestures. They have not yet developed the ability to use words and sentences to convey their thoughts and feelings. This stage is important because it helps to baby. It helps the baby learn how to think and interact with others. It's like building the first step for talking and understanding each other when they grow up. Babbling stage that occur when the baby is 6 months old and last to 12 months. Okay, babbling is when babies make repetitive sounds with their mouths like baba or dada. It usually starts around 6 months of age. These sounds don't have specific meanings, but they are important because they help babies practice using their lips, tongue and vocal cords. It's like their way of learning how to talk, and it's a normal part of language development. And the third one is one word stage. During the one word stage, which typically occurs between the ages of 12 to 18 months, children begin to transition from non-verbal communication to using their words. At this stage, they typically utter simple nouns. And two word stage. The two word stage, which typically occurs between the ages of 18 to 24 months, is a crucial milestone in a child's language development. During this stage, children progress from uttering single words to combining two words to form rudimentary phrases or sentences. Preschool stage, that 2 to 5 years, between 2 to 5 years, right? Children acquire a more extensive vocabulary and develop more complex sentence structures. They learn grammatical rules such as verb, conjugation and plurals. And the next one is about development of language. Language, the system of signs. Although the first word the child realizes that the word cat is not part of the thing he knows, but rather a representation of it. Gradually, the child realizes that these words are not the things. So cat is a symbol for the furry animal. Over time, the child becomes proficient in using more abstract symbols like words to convey complex ideas and concepts. They learn that words can represent not only concrete objects but also abstract ideas and emotions. This development involves the ability to distinguish between a word, that is the symbol, and what the word represents, the actual thing or concept. Language development is the process by which human acquire the ability to understand or produce and use language. It typically begins in infancy and continues throughout one's life. And key stages of language development including babbling, the emergence of single words, and eventually the development of more complex sentence structures. Factors such as environmental exposure, interaction with caregivers, and individual differences play a significant role in this process. तो ये वीडियो यहीं पे एंड होती है और आपको मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है कंक्लूजन, आप लिख लीजिए अपने ओन वर्ड्स में इसके रिलेटेड। तो ये वीडियो यहीं पे एंड होती है। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कीजिए। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। बाय बाय।